We're at Osakaya in Tokyo, Japan, trying Teppan, which is an iron griddle comfort food. And when you're ready to order, just press the button. We went with the Osakaya course. It's a 3-course menu. It comes with the Okonomiyaki, Monjayaki, and Yakisoba, and it's all you can drink. So we're gonna have fun. Sours in Japan are incredible. So we got around starting with the lemon sour and an yuzu orange sour. Kanpai. They're served in these bowls, but you have to get the griddle ready with oil. They mix up the food, get it ready, put it on the hot griddle, and form it into a pancake.
Okay.
This smells incredible. It's just so hot. There's so much flavor in here. The sauces are incredible, not overpowering at all. The texture is eggy and it has some cabbage in there. It's fluffier than an omelet, but not quite to the level of a quiche. They top it with these bonito flakes and that really makes the dish. It's hearty and I get why they call this a comfort dish. I'm gonna have to let this one cool for a second because it is so hot. You can see all the steam coming off of this. This one looks really interesting because of the way the sauces made this thin, gooey layer, but it tastes way better than it looks. It's a full mix of cabbage, onion, beef, and sauce. You can't beat it. It's thin and gooey, became caramelized. The sauce reminds me of a teriyaki soy sauce. It's a gooey mixture of flavor and texture. It's picking up, so we got around to sake. Come by. This is a great place to try different courses. We're having a lot of fun with the drinks, edamame, and everything on the griddle. For the second round, we got a shrimp monjayaki, and then we got a pork yakisoba. When I saw the pork cook, it looked just like a thick bacon. I'm ready to dive in. That pork fat with the Japanese barbecue sauce is taking me to a new time. The noodles are soft, all the flavors blend, very comforting. The little scraper comes in handy getting all of these flavorful bits stuck to the griddle. This is shrimp monjayaki. Has the same gooey consistency as the beef, but I have to try it. It's so hot. I know it tastes good, but it's so hot I have to let it rest. The texture is gooier this time, but the shrimp flavor, it's really good. It has the same cabbage flavor as the beef. This time a round of highballs. Kanpai. This was a lot of fun. I believe you're supposed to cook yourself, but they cooked it for us. But now we know how to do it the next time we come. Because honestly, after seeing them cook it, I probably wouldn't have cooked it the same way. And this is interesting because it's open 24 hours. It's a lot of fun with food, all you can drink. It's a good time in Tokyo. If you're in Tokyo, Japan, come by Osakaya, grab some drinks, get some food, have some fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Kanpai.